Okay, to begin with, I want you to use a 2-inch ruler, line it up with the edges, draw a line down the center. This is a 4-inch square, so if you line it up with the edge of a 2-inch ruler, you're going to be exactly in the middle. Make sure your lines are straight. This gives you 4 quadrants. Then you're going to be using the little sticky foam pieces, and whatever you put in one quadrant, you're going to put in all 4 quadrants so that it is symmetrical on both sides. If you want something smack dab in the middle, you can do that, or I'm putting squares on the lines. That works as well, as long as it's a mirror image all 4 ways. So once you get that done, you go ahead, and we're going to be using square paper. I want you to put your name on every piece of paper that you use. We're going to be using a monochromatic color scheme for this first one. Monochromatic means one color. I chose purple, so I'm going to get some purple, and then we can also use the neutrals. So I'm going to use white and I'm going to use black. We can mix those in with the purple to make tints and shades, and all of those will work within that color scheme. So to begin with, I'm using some white and purple together to make a little lavender or a light purple, and I'm painting kind of the petals on my flower of that. And then I'm going to use another paintbrush, just get purple, put purple right in the center. And then a third paintbrush, I'm going to add some purple to my black, and I'm going to put like a really dark purple, almost black squares on each one of those. I have to work quickly here because the paint will dry quickly, and we want to print that on there while it's still wet, and then each time you'll have to reapply the paint. So in the exact same spaces, and then print 4 times on this one sheet of paper. And I've sped this up really fast, so it'll take you a little bit longer than this, obviously. There's my third one, and then one more time for my fourth one. When you finish with this, you'll put it on the drying rack, and then do not get rid of your cardboard square. You're going to see me take a dry paper towel, and I'm going to try and clean it up as best as I can, wipe it off so that we can reuse it tomorrow.